Well, my name's Samuel Lloyd. I started driving a truck in 2000 and been owner operator since 2013. In 2017, I formed my authority and got my own name on the side of the truck. As a carrier, a typical day for me is start 8 o'clock in the morning, and let's say I just delivered a load from previous pickup yesterday. I'm going to deliver that load, and then I'm going to get on the dashboard. I look on the dashboard and I scroll through all the brokers I'm set up with, get to talking to brokers and try to find me another load as quickly as possible so I can go pick that up and get as far as I can to the next delivery so I can do the same thing the next day. It gives me the real tricker's edge whenever I'm talking to a broker and they say, well, the load's paying this, and I say, no, I'm looking at the 15-day average here on DAT, and the load has been paying this. It's the 15-day average. That tool right there has kept me profitable since I've been using it. It stumps them every time. I can't get enough of that. That's always awesome.